Yogesh, here we are at the final chapter. After covering strategy, conflict, crisis, power, negotiation, mentorship, and legacy, it's time to pull it all together.
It's been quite a journey, Yogesh. From understanding boardroom dynamics to navigating pressure and mentoring the next generation, there's a lot to synthesize.
Exactly. Let's start with a key insight. The boardroom is a system. Every member, every discussion, every decision impacts the whole ecosystem. One weak link or unresolved conflict can ripple across the organization.
And conversely, when the board functions well, aligned strategy, strong communication, ethical grounding, it becomes a force multiplier for the entire company.
Core takeaways. Here's my synthesis of the 12 chapters. Strategic alignment, AI, market shifts, or financial decisions must always connect to the long-term corporate vision. Conflict navigation. Disagreements are natural, managed correctly, they improve decision quality. Decision under pressure. Structured frameworks, calm leadership, and preparedness are essential. Power and influence. Understanding dynamics allows better guidance without dominance. Negotiation mastery. Active listening, framing, and patience drive effective outcomes. Crisis management. Transparency, speed, and unified leadership preserve trust. And mentorship and legacy. Developing others and codifying best practices ensures sustainability.
And underlying all of this is trust, clarity, and culture. Every lesson we've covered is amplified or diminished by the quality of relationships and the integrity of the boardroom environment.
Forward-looking lessons. Yogesh, the future boardroom is changing. Technology, globalization, and rapid disruption demand boards that are adaptable, digitally literate, and ethically anchored.
Boards must now think about AI strategy, ESG accountability, cyber resilience, and cross-cultural dynamics, not just traditional financial oversight.
And forward-looking boards cultivate a mindset of learning and curiosity. They anticipate change, simulate scenarios, and mentor leaders who can operate effectively in complex environments.
So the ultimate lesson for board members today is lead with insight, act with integrity, and leave a legacy of capability and trust.
Final thoughts. The 720-minute journey we have taken is not about memorizing frameworks or checklists. It's about internalizing principles that guide every action, conversation, and decision in the boardroom.
And it's a reminder that leadership in the boardroom is a lifelong practice. Every meeting, every decision, every mentorship interaction is an opportunity to build excellence.
Exactly. For boards willing to embrace these lessons, the outcome isn't just effective governance, it's a transformative force for the entire organization.
And that's the ultimate measure of success in the boardroom.
Well said. Let's close this master session with a commitment. Every board member can be a catalyst for strategy, culture, and legacy, starting today.